Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. If you like my channel, subscribe my channel and share my videos. For upcoming videos, keep watching my channel. Today I'm here with the video that how can you spend a physical activity on daily basis for a 30 minute or more or less time. It means if you have time and you want to spend your time as a healthy activity, not playing with games or video games or internet while sitting on a sofa and eating and drinking soft drinks and make your stomach and health inappropriate for you. So these activities you can do in the physical activities when you are going to or want to fun with the friends or you want to spend some time with your dear ones. You can adopt these activities. So let's start. Walking, first activity you do that is the walking and running games. Even you are want to and make your event or family event or friends event more healthier or activity related to health, so you can do this activity. Going for a walk or jogging is an easy accessible type of exercise, but lapping your neighborhoods can get boring quickly. Okay, then the next one is dancing. Yes, you can do the dancing on the different music. That also reduces the belly fat or build your own workout. You can put few items related to gym and do the exercise there on daily for 30 minutes. Frisbee, even you can play the frisbee. That makes you health. Frisbee is a great way to get active. It doesn't matter how throw a little. Of course, the further you grow, you more you have to run. Okay, catch and kick. Anyone with the kids will know something that's entertaining, and kill two birds with one stone and take them back to the park to kick footy and throw ball back to the fourth. Take the stairs. Yes, you can. Whenever you are walking or doing something or visiting some multi-story building, before while going through the elevator, you can adopt or you can take weight to the stairs. That will help or boost your stamina as well. Walking meetings, if you want to hold some meetings, start walking so that you can talk and walk together. You can spend your time healthily and you can do some exercise. Next is the dance class. You can join yoga or dance class. Hiking is the best way to spend your time healthy in a healthy environment. Hiking, get out and about. The great outdoors is a wonderful way to stretch your legs and see more for the straight amazing scenery. Rock climbing is another example. If you are living in a hilly areas or hilly areas in access to you, you can go for a climbing. Water balloon battles, take your dog to the doggy meetup, then master a jump rope routine, practice a yoga arm balance, hula hoop, try out that sport you always want to do as a kid. Join a team sport and make the orienteering can help you on your navigation skills as you tally up some physical activity outside. Deep clean, shopping, learn a musical restaurant, slide or roll down a hill, boxercise, slackling, then trampoline, fair game fans, active game nights, stand up paddle boarding or kayaking, bike riding. You can adopt all these types of games for your healthy activities on your routine base or daily base. Thank you for watching my video.